Hey guys, it's Mia, and today tonight, I was going to be showing you that my sister made this new slime at her friend's house, and I really wanted to show you guys the slime that she made, because it was really bad, like it was hard, but then I made it I made it to a really good slime. If you hear background noises, it's my sister. Say hi.
Sorry.
So yeah, this slime is so much better. I wish I did a before and after picture, or before and after video, but this slime is so good. I just want to show you what it really can do. It is so stretchy. Look at this. Hear that crunch. Now it can poke really well. Okay, this slime can make a really good rose too. I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, that was really bad. Hold on. Praying that you and me might end up together. Okay, that's better. Comment down below what I should name this slime, because me and my sister Madison have no idea what to name it. It's like this aqua blue color. It looks like the ocean, but I already have a slime called Ocean Shore, so I don't want to name it that. Just think of a clever name. I love your guys' names and suggestions and stuff. So yeah, just comment down below and look at this slime. Yes, this slime. I love it. It is so clicky. Oh my god. Now look how stretchy it is. Okay, so my sister is videoing me doing this right now, but I just wanted to show you how far this can stretch. It could go further, but I'm kind of short. Let's see if it can go all the way to the ceiling. Touch. Perfect. Now listen to this crunch. Yes, now look at this poke. And also I like doing this, So yeah, thank you, Madison. So that's a wrap for this video. I love this slime so much. It used to be really bad, but I'm happy that I made it better. Please comment down below what I should name this slime. I am dying to, I really need a name for this slime. It's like when my friends come over, I'll be like, oh, I like that slime. What is it called? No name. So, yeah. Tomorrow I go to school, so I probably won't post as much this week because, school. Homework. Yeah, again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe for future videos. Turn on those post notifications, and soon I will be doing a giveaway soon, but I will have to see. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!